Guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to make AI agents. So as we have seen in the previous video how to make a chatbot related to a website. It's basically related to the e-commerce website. You can access that chatbot, you can just integrate that chatbot into some website in whichever you need. Okay, so how are AI agent different from the chatbots? Chatbots is like for a very specific thing, but AI agents can be of anything. Okay, like if you want to create a AI agent to automate your Gmails or automate your meetings, there are people who want people who have to hire people so that they can read their emails. Yes, it is like the business owners which have a lot of number of emails coming, so they have to hire somebody to read that emails, mark as read, high priority. They have to go to the calendar and then they have to check, but they don't have that much of time. Okay, so these AI agent add a lot of value in their life. Okay, so I'm going to make a AI agent using a Telegram today, as you can see. So this is a basic format that I've made, and there are the two workflows. This is for the email, this is for the calendar. So basically I'm going to show you, this is the email one. This is showing error because I haven't connected my ID. Okay, but I will show you later. And this is for the Google Calendar. Basically what it does, it when you say a message, a voice message or a text message to the Telegram, you say it like can you book a meeting to the X person at X time. So it will go and process through this rate. Okay, this and this. If you are throwing the voice, if you are going through this, then you will be directed from this and this. Edit. An AI agent will process. I am using Google Gemini chat model as my ChatGPT OpenAI is already used. So if you have already registered OpenAI to the account, like you are using OpenAI since so long, so tokens must have been used. So you can use Google Gemini, or you can also use DeepSeek. DeepSeek is also a very good and fast model, but it is down due to some of the failures. So yeah, let's start. So this is a basic format that I have provided with you. So what we will do, firstly we will add a Telegram trigger. Whenever a message will be sent, it will be triggered and give you back the response, but not now. We will add here the response tag here. Okay, but let me just explain you first this. Okay, so we have added a switch node. In switch node we will see there are rules, and there are, firstly I have go to this a string and we will go to exist. Okay, what we want to do is we want to have two modulations, means like if I am saying in voice or if I am writing the text, it has to both be converted into text. Text will remain as text, but voice have to convert it into text. Why it is important? Because the model can only take text, so we will transcribe it, and but we want to modulate it, we want to be it more convenient. When you speak it is going to be more convenient for you. Okay, so we will rename output and we will aim it at voice, and then we will write a JavaScript. Okay, so json.message.voice.file id. Okay, and here you will add, okay, when you add this add rotating rule, then you will be added to this another. Okay, so then again you will go to the rename output, and output name will be text because you want it to be outputted as text. You will go to the a exist, and you will go to the string, and you will go to the exist. Okay, then after that you will write this. Okay, after that what we will do, we will test it and we will be back to the canvas. Okay, so we have created this two switch. When you will be done with this, there will be two switches. Okay, One is voice and one is text, that I have mentioned, that what output you want. Do you want voice? Do you want text? Okay. So when you go through the voice, you will be going through the Telegram. A download file will be up, right? And you can use OpenAI transcribe here. It will be better, but it cost more tokens. But you can also use it if you have tokens. Okay. We will transcribe it and convert it to text, and then it will be going to process into AI agent. Okay. Then if someone is giving an input in text, so it will be driven through this, and it will be through edit fields manual. So we will open it and I will show you. Okay, here's only we want text. To field to set, you will click to this and this will be added. Okay, these all options have to be off, and this. Okay, then we will go to the AI agent. So what this AI agent does, basically it have three components: chat model, memory and tool. So chat model is basically from which they is going to extract. It's like the brain which you needed. Okay, so chat model can be Gemini, it can be DeepSeek, it can be OpenAI. Okay, I have used Gemini because it's free. And for the memory, what is memory? Actually, the chat have memory. Whatever chat you do with the chat GPT, it have some certain kind of memory. What do you mean by this? If I have told him something about me in the past, he is going to remember what I have said. Okay, when I'm going to say, tell me script about that, so he will not ask what script I want. I have already mentioned it in the past, so he will remember. So that is the work done by the memory. Okay, there are a lot of numbers. I can show you this. Delete by this. We will memory. So these are the options that you can use. You can go to any of these websites and you just have to access the token and connect it. Okay. So I was telling you about this. We have already told about memory. Now we are going to. I have already told you that there are the three items in AI agent. What are these? It is chat model, memory and tool. Chat model is from which AI is going to answer that question, and memory in which he is going to remember all of the previous stuff. Okay, then tools. What tools I want to use? Like I want to trigger the Gmail, I want to use a calendar, or I want to contact the agent. So there are a lot of number of tools. What we will do, we will add into this, click into this, and there is a call n8 वर्कफ्लो टूल. ठीक है, इसका क्या मतलब होता है? जब हम इसको क्लिक करेंगे तो यहाँ पे एक फॉर्मेट खुलेगा. ओके, सो उसमें हम उसका नेम देंगे सबसे पहले. जैसे मैंने इसे जीमेल टूल दिया है, बिकॉज इसका डिस्क्रिप्शन क्या है? कॉल दिस टूल है. एक्चुअली कॉल दिस टूल फॉर एनी जीमेल एक्शन. ओके, डाटाबेस एंड वर्कफ्लो. आपको फ्रॉम लिस्ट से वर्कफ्लो आपको सिलेक्ट करना होता है. जैसे कि इफ़ अगर आपका वर्कफ्लो नहीं क्रिएटेड है तो आप यहाँ से क्रिएट सब वर्कफ्लो पे जाओगे और वहाँ से वर्कफ्लो क्रिएट करोगे. कैसे वर्कफ्लो क्रिएट करते हैं देखते हैं. चलो पहले से सेव कर देते हैं एंड वी विल गो टू दिस. तो ये वर्कफ्लो बनाया हुआ है हमने. इट विल टेक सम वाइल. 4 days left for the trial. Okay, so yeah, firstly this will be added. Okay, these two nodes will be provided to you when you click onto that, and you will be provided with this canvas. Okay, so what we will do, work input trigger. So here it is defined using Johnson. ठीक है, below हम तब लिखते हैं when we want to add something by our own. ठीक है. Okay, so it is working. Replace me with your logic. Okay, your logic can be anything. Okay, okay, then हम उससे कनेक्ट करेंगे AI एजेंट से. ठीक है, हमने यहाँ पे करके ऐड करके AI एजेंट से कनेक्ट करा. ऑफ कोर्स देयर आर 3 टूल्स: चैट मॉडल, मेमोरी एंड टूल्स. ओके, अब उसमें चैट मॉडल क्या है? जेमिनाई यूज़ कर रही हूँ मैं. अभी जो है डीपसीक भी आ गया है, तो यू कैन यूज़ दैट ऑल्सो. ठीक है, उसको कैसे यूज़ करते हैं मैं बता देती हूँ आपको. इधर ही बता देती हूँ. डिलीट चैट मॉडल. अच्छा, अभी हमारी वीडियो दूसरी चीज़ पे है, तो मैं आपको अलग वीडियो में बता दूंगी कि हाउ यू कैन इंटीग्रेट डीप सीक इनटू दिस, ठीक है, चैट मॉडल में, ठीक है। अब हमने क्या यहाँ पे जेमिनाई जो है, आप अपना अकाउंट लॉगिन कर सकते हो। यहाँ पे जाके आपको बस क्या करना है, क्रिएट न्यू क्रेडेंशियल्स, और यहाँ पे जाके आपको API की करनी है, ठीक है। यू हैव टू गो टू दिस वेबसाइट एंड देन यू हैव टू लॉग योर सेल्फ इनटू, एंड API की आएगी वहाँ पे साइट पे, तो आपको उसको पेस्ट कर देनी है वहाँ से कॉपी करके, ओके। मेमोरी हमने वही वापस यूज़ करी है, मैंने आपको दिखा चुका है कौन कौन से ऑप्शन है। अब टूल्स देखो हमें क्या करना है, हमें क्या क्या चीज़ें हैं, ठीक है। इसमें एरर इसलिए दिखा रहा है बिकॉज आई हैवंट लॉग्ड इनटू इट, ओके। सो हमें क्या क्या चीज़ें करनी है ईमेल से। सो वी हैव टू लेबल इट, we have to send email, we have to reply to the email, and we have to mark as read, mark as unread, okay। जैसे कि कोई सा email है which you want to prioritize, so it will be labeled as high priority, okay। Some emails which you want to reply, so you will go to the reply email. How we will add, we will go to this and okay, we will type gmail tools, okay। So here you can select like from send, okay। You want to send, delete, get many, mark as read, mark as unread, remove label, okay। You have mentioned in the previous note that this is high priorities, but now the work is done, so you have to unread it, unlabeled it, so you can use this, ठीक है। टू आप किसको भेज रहे हो, ठीक है। दिस इज नॉट लाइक दैट, ठीक है। आप इसको एक्सप्रेशन में करते हो, वाई, बिकॉज इट इज नॉट फिक्स्ड, ओके। इट इज ऑलवेज वेरिएबल दैट whom you are sending, so you have to go to the to, and then subject also you have to go for the expression, okay। HTML type, that is right, okay। So yeah, but we have also already created, so we can delete it just like this, okay। Okay, so I have created all these nodes using that, and then after that we will go to the AI agent, okay। So हमें इसको ना एक we have to give a text, okay। We have to give a system prompt. What prompt does basically, you have seen in the like in logo designs or making something, okay। So you ask for the prompt, ठीक है। So what is the prompt? Prompt is the like instructions for the agent, like how he or she can work, and how we have to reply to the customers or anyone, okay। We will see it, okay। So this is okay, I will make it more clear, just give me 1 second। This is overview. You are an email agent assistance, all email formatted professionally in HTML and signed off as the parul. Why? Because I am like signing off, that's why। email management tools, use send email, create email, get email, mark tool, okay। फिर हमने उसे इंस्ट्रक्ट किया है that how you can label the email, use label email to flag an email, okay। So if I want to label it, first I would be able to read it, so that is the prompt। You can take the screenshot and you can edit in subnode memory. Why? Cause it is insufficient tokens, cause I haven't logged in, okay। Yeah, we will do one more thing here in the settings. We will go to the settings and on error, okay। Sometimes here error occurs, we do not want our agent to look like agent, I want my agent to look like human। It's actually has to feel like if I do not know answer, I will say that I do not know the answer, can I tell you after 5 minutes, okay। Sometimes we call to the call center and they say like that, so I also want my agent to do stuff like that, so it doesn't feel so robotic, okay। So I will click on this, in most of the time it is like this, but we will not do this, we will be on continue using error output, okay। So error output means if it is success, if it is able to find the answers and send the email, then it's going to go to the success node, which is edit field, okay। If it is having an error, it will go to the edit field. What it will do, response, it is a response. What you have to do, you have to click onto this and this will be created, and response and unable to perform task, please try again, okay। We will go to this is manual apply, name is the success, and we will write I am glad you have found what you are looking for. Okay, save. So yeah, it is inactive because when I want to activate it will be having the email ID. Okay, so I'm just creating a trial, that's why I haven't added my email ID. Okay, so again, if it's I will show you how to do this. Firstly, we will connect it to the nodes. Okay, in the success we want data information and edit fields. Okay, manually add input, same. Okay, I am glad you have found what you are looking for. If you want to personalize it more, you can also write like it is for the calendar node. Okay, so your meeting, your rearrangements has been made. Have been made. Okay. Okay. Back to the canvas, save it. Edit field. If you want to go to the error on same data transformation, you go to the edit field, you will be entered into this. You will like error, or you can also write failure. I am unable to answer that, please try again. Okay, memory there's a problem in the memory. Okay, when we will log in it will be all solved. Okay, okay, so we have added an AI agent in which we have chat model same, memory same. In the tools we will go and search for the Google Calendar, this Google Calendar tool. If we click into this, the set automatically even create from list. So from list we have to set a calendar. Okay, what does it mean? It means if you want to create event on calendar, you want to delete an event, get an event, or get money or update. So for that, in the ID you have to mention from what ID you want to do. Okay, so Gmail is connected to the Google, so we will enter whatever ID you want to take changes from. Okay, so this is done now. Okay, create event, you can say create, delete, get event. This is also create, so we will delete it, update event and get all event. Okay, so here's the success, here's the error, save it. Okay, so if we see here, we have added two tools. What is that? It's email tool, you can name it as, what is it, email Gmail tool, Gmail tool. You can also add emoji like robot, saving. So you can see here, you can just reload it. You will see here from this database field output. This is not required. Okay, nice. Calendar. Okay, you can see it is calendar. You can see it here. It's an email. So email tool. Okay. So you can see it here. Yeah, ultimate agent, and I've also named it for you to understand better. What we will do here is I have already shown you two tools. What are these two tools? That is the email agent, email tool, and the calendar tool. Okay, now what we will add is contact agent and content creator agent and calculator and Tavily. This is basically when you go into adding, there is HTTP request tool where you have to modify it. I have named it so you can understand better. You have to post this URL and there is none, and all this have to be off. Okay, and get the information from the web whenever asked if required. So this is the description I have to give to this. Okay, to save it, then I will let you know how these all are modified. Okay, so we will go to the contact. Okay, so we will name it here contact tool, or we can name it as contact agent. Okay, so this is the name which will be searched by the AI agent. Okay, we have provided the prompt of like you have to, when you want to know the information related to contact, you have to search for the contact agent, and when you want to send an email, you have to go to the email agent. So it will be all, it is all provided here. Okay, you have provided here, right? So we will go on to this. We will create this database from contact. You can create one by clicking into this. So here is a contact agent. I have made it to save the time, as it requires a lot of time to make it. So we have executed it and we have added our AI agent. Okay, so we will click into this. What we have to this is the text input. It have to be like this. Okay, it do not have to be in red color. It have to be like this. Red color will don't work. Okay, so we have added an option on system messages. So what we have added, I will show you. We have added you are a helpful assistance. Overview, you are a contact management assistant. Your responsibilities include looking up contacts, adding new contacts, or updating a contact information. In contact management, these are the guides. Okay, so for use, add or update contact to store new contact information or modify existing. Okay, this step, yes, it is executed. Save. Okay, so what I needed here is I have set it up this, and for this access and error, I have told you that it would be more like a human interaction. So we go to the settings and we on error, it is continue using the error. Test output is okay, not executed successfully. Save. Okay, when there is error. So we have added a chat model. This is Google Gemini, but its token has already been used, and I will also be uploading a video related to DeepSeek. Okay, how to integrate DeepSeek model through this. So we will go into this and we will add a contact nodes. So this is, you will go to this, and there's AI table tool. You will go into this. This is for the read, update, or write or delete data. Okay, so you do not need it, you will just delete it. Okay, so you will go here. You will go to the Airtable website, and what you will do is you will set the credentials. Okay, like access token. Okay, save it. Actually, I've already set it up, so that's why it's saying. So what you basically go and type Airtable, and you will be open to this site. When you will sign into this, there is a access token. Okay, this is my site. You have to go, and there's an access token in this. Okay, I cannot show you B, cause it's some private thing. So yeah, you will go and you will find yours there. Okay, after that, what we will do, we will set this up. How we will set this up? By ID. Okay, so I will let you know. If you're not a coder, what you will do is you just have to, there's a prompt given, okay, from AI. Why? Because these all functions are done by AI, so in the prompt you have to mention from AI. Okay, so whenever there's if it is written base, you will write base in the commas. Okay, if you want to write two things like message and message ID, what you will do, you will message in the one bracket, like it's have to be in both the exclamatory marks. Okay, between the exclamatory marks, then you will place a comma, then you will write the second one. Okay, that is table and record ID. Okay, you have set it up and it is all ready to go. Create or update. So you have create or update. Okay, in the previous one, what we have get the email. Okay, so operation is to get the contacts. Firstly you have to get the contact, second is the create. Okay, so yeah, creating, how we will do, so we will be doing this. Okay, you have to go to expression, you have to choose and you have to write this. Okay, map automatically and this. Okay, there is an error, so on error we will write success. I'm glad that you found what you're looking for. And on error he will write sorry, I couldn't answer that, please try again. Save. Okay, then what we have done here, save. Okay, so I have already told you about the this method, this. Okay, how to convert voice into text and text directly into the AI agent. And we have also know about the ultimate agent, that how many tools it have and what is memory does and what is chat model. Okay, so we have already talked about email tool, calendar tool and contact tool. Now we will talk about the rest. So calculator is very easy, you just have to go and this is nothing. Okay, so it will be set it up. It will be like you have to go to the ad and here you will find the calculator. Okay, so yeah, save. Okay, so we will go to the contact. We have to cite it as contact agent. You can also write the description. Call this tool whenever the user need to create or get contact. Okay, so you want to get the contact, you want to create it. Sometimes we want to access to the contacts which we have saved, sometimes we want to create, so it can do the both. Okay, and we will go to this from list and contact. You will be opened into this and you will be connected to this. We have already talked about it. This is content creator, so it is content creator agent. Okay, call this action when there is a content creation. So okay, it doesn't have to be like spaces between them. Okay, data sources, database and content creator agent. Okay, save and we will go to content creator agent. This have to be created so it will be more logical and good. Okay, so in the content creator agent you have to again have to give the system prompt. I will give you, and this is will be chat input. Okay, prompt user. As a skilled AI blog writer specializing in engaging, well-structured and informative content. You have to write tools and blog list. All this will be provided. You have to take the screenshot and write it as it is. Okay. Yeah. Test this tab. This error in the node directly. Okay. So there is a error in this node. Okay. Why? Because there's the because we have provided this. Okay, the model value provided by model is but it's required. ठीक है, using field below, or you can write but it's just optional. Okay, we have gone into add definitions and placeholder definition, search in this and also the body parameters, and all those have to be off except in the send body में you have to write body parameters specific body. Okay, this is the expression you have to use. Save. Okay, this is the edit on error. You will write the same. It's showing error because I haven't logged into it. Okay, Gmail agent, contact, content creator, calendar. Okay, so what calendar agent can do, I will show you this. So it can create an event. Okay, it can create an event, get the event, or it can get all, delete the event, or create event with attendee, or edit and this save. Okay, Gmail has been created, contact creator and this. So that's it, 1 2 3 4 and these two. Okay, and the response will be sent it. Okay, so the chat ID which will be given here in the trigger, so there is going to be an ID. Okay, I haven't taken the screenshot, so I will show you. So there's an ID which is in the form of numbers. Okay, why it is like that? Because we do not, this is not a variable. Okay, you want the response in the same place, you do not want to get a response in the different number. So the chart ID will be provided there and you have to just paste it here. Okay, so this is whole our ultimate agent is ready, and you can connect it to whoever like ID you want to connect it to. That's why I haven't connected the ID. Okay, so that's it for the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will be my next video will be on the DeepSeek model. So please do like, comment and share. If you have any query or any questions related to it, you can ask me in the comments. Thank you.